You probably think becoming a millionaire requires a big move, like starting the next Amazon, right? Wrong. One tiny daily habit could be the thing that quietly makes you a millionaire. Stick around to learn what this habit is and why it will work for you. You have always been told to look at your finances in a long-term scope, but this millionaire-creating habit will throw that advice upside down. This habit is the daily auto invest sweep. Instead of budgeting once a month or saving when you feel like it, this habit involves automatically sweeping a small fixed dollar amount, say $20, $25, or even $30, every single day into a low-cost investment account. It's simple, predictable, and surprisingly powerful. But why does this simple, powerful tool make you a millionaire? There are three main principles that lead to this simple system's success. First, most people approach saving and investing without any real plan. They contribute some money here or a bit more money there. But here is why this works better than trying to save sporadically. Humans are terrible at big decisions, but great at small routines. We overanalyze and become emotionally driven when the stakes seem larger. By making it a regular routine, you make your contributions a habit, just like brushing your teeth. Over time, you're not just building savings, you're giving your money more chances to compound. But you shouldn't take my word for it. Let's look at some numbers. If you only save $30 a day, that's $900 a month. Over 20 years, that's $216,000 invested. At a 10% average annual return, the historical return of the S&P 500, according to data from JP Morgan and Vanguard, this daily habit grows to just over $1 million. So that is how $30 a day becomes $1 million. And it is not just math that backs this up. Now, saving a little bit of money every day is a great start, but the second principle is what really turns small investments into millions. Warren Buffett, who built Berkshire Hathaway into a $780 billion company, often says, "The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today." He's not just talking about business, he's talking about the compounding effect of small, consistent actions. Similarly, Morgan Housel, author of The Psychology of Money, explains that wealth isn't about one big win. It's about behavior that repeats for decades. That's exactly what a daily auto invest sweep forces you to do. Even Naval Ravikant, the angel investor behind companies like Twitter and Uber, says, "Play long-term games with long-term people." Your daily sweep is you playing a long-term game with yourself. But if this habit is so simple and so powerful, why don't you see everyone around you becoming millionaires? Now you're saving a little money every day, and you're doing it over the long term. But the most dramatic effect on your financial goal might be coming from the third principle. Bills are monthly, and paychecks are monthly, budgets are monthly, but the wealthy? They break down big goals into tiny daily habits. By changing how you think about money, reframing your wealth building as a daily sweep instead of a monthly struggle, you bypass the mental resistance. You never feel like you're missing out on big chunks of money. And yet, your future self reaps massive rewards. How can you start becoming a millionaire today? That is the secret. Start today. Set up an auto transfer today. Start with $10 if $30 feels too much, but do it daily. As you build your way towards millionaire status, you will discover that there are daily habits that work against you. Regardless of how well you do your daily sweep, you won't become a millionaire if you fall for these. Check out this video here to make sure you can avoid those bad habits and achieve your millionaire goal.